Fix-It Bongbong. We're in the middle of the country and we're gonna blow up an airbag.
It says 40.
Why don't you go ahead and tell the viewers why we have an extra airbag to blow up?
Once upon a time, I bought a Mini from Fix-It Bongbong, and it needed some airbags for whatever reason. And so I was getting parts together, and I was like, "Hey, Fix-It Bongbong, what year is this Mini?" He said, "Oh, 2006." So I was like, "All right." Went to the junkyard, bought a 2006 airbag. Thanks. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So when I went to put it in, it didn't fit. Turns out the Mini Cooper was a 2003, not a 2006. So I bought an airbag for nothing. But we're gonna explode it, so it's kind of worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it.
I've never done it before. Exploded airbags.
So where are we?
Nokesville.
Nokesville? So we got the airbag here. So this is from a 2006 Mini, and we got the wire stripped. Quick internet search, looks like this is the trigger wire. This is the ground. We've got some speaker wire. We're just gonna go ahead and send 12 volts to this from a safe distance and blow up an airbag. And we're gonna use this jump pack here as a nice detonator. So now we're just walking down the road trying to find a safe place to set this thing off.
It's like we're starting a bomb.
Huh?
I'd go further than that.
Oh, okay. That good?
Yeah, I'd go a little more. I don't think we need a shield. All right, cut that, Josh. All right, white is white positive or negative?
White is, let's do white as the positive.
Okay. And then black, negative. We gotta find, I mean, we could just poof it out. Right, or should we go?
Yeah, let's prop it straight up and then put something on top and see if we can launch it in there.
All right, put something on top.
What were the things?
Oh, Josh, it'll fit in this pack right here. Yeah, bring it over here.
All right, here. New location.
Yeah, look, it'll sit perfect right there. We're gonna put it in this stump. Tell me that's not made.
All right.
All right. And then lay something on top of that. This will like be. This is where you would pretend it's bolted into the dash. This is the dash.
Nature provides. All right, where's the GoPro?
This.
No.
I'd say we just here. I'll put this right here. We'll launch this flying projectile stick. All right. White is positive.
Yep.
Shit, hold on.
I feel like at some point I gotta say, don't do this at home. Or I feel like we're supposed to say that or something. Just be careful if you do it at home or something.
All right. Are you guys ready?
All right. You're gonna.
I'm just gonna turn it on and we'll see what happens. Nothing.
Is there a safety on this thing to prevent like that thing from?
Yeah, maybe it doesn't know. I think it's on right now.
Is there juice?
Yeah, I wonder if it's got like some smart charge where it knows it's not connected to a battery, so it's not putting any juice out.
What do you think, Josh? I feel like in the internet they're always hitting it with car batteries. You got a car battery?
Drive the truck over here.
Yeah, I was gonna say hit it.
All right, we'll go get the truck.
All right. All right. Here you go.
This went from a good idea to not as a good idea. You good? I don't think we're doing it right. I'm touching. Well, let me switch the wires. Good, dude?
Yeah.
Damn, this thing got some mini safety thing? Unless, like, I mean, we're touching power.
Let's think about this logically for a minute. If
So we're changing up the strategy here. Since their pigtails looks like we're pounding on each side, we're gonna do one black together, one green together.
Is it gonna ignite right now? Static charge.
Hope not.
Yeah, or we just get the tannerite and we just shoot behind it and we say we exploded it.
Yeah, worst case, we just shoot this thing and...
Now, does it matter which one's which?
I don't know, we're guessing at this point.
That's true. We're just gonna twist everything together.
All right, put it back up in there.
I think we got dud.
Holy shit!
I think we got dud.
There's the airbag. There's where it was, and hold on, there. Where's the log or the thing? Jeez. What do you think about that, huh, Rush?
I think we have a fatality here.
I reckon we did it, huh?
Smoking. We need more airbags.
Oh yeah. No, you didn't think I was just gonna light off an airbag and that'd be the end of this episode, did you?
Why, yes I do.
No, man, everyone sets off airbags on YouTube and calls it a day.
That's so official, Dad.
All right, what's the procedure here?
Just shake vigorously for 1 minute.
All right.
What is that, aluminum powder? Is that what they said?
I don't know.
Time me.
1, 2.
It's not vigorous enough.
That sounds pretty good.
It definitely makes me.
Are we at a minute?
Where do you think we ought to put it?
I think it says don't put it anywhere. No, man, it's got so many rules. No flammable.
All right, so on the airbag, we ignited it with a 12-volt battery. Rush, what do you got to set this thing off this time?
Well, we have an instrument of war here.
Oh, you can't say that on the internet.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't say that.
I'm kidding.
This is not an assault rifle.
This is not an assault rifle.
It is an AR-15
An Armorlight.
Armorlight. It's really not an Armorlight. It is actually a Rock River, I believe it is. No, if I don't make it in 2 shots, somebody takes over.
Well, I'll edit it out so it'll make it look like you get the first shot.
Yeah.
Good job, Dad.
Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Trying to make a sniper range. We're getting tactical today. We're measuring it out. We need 100 yards. I think this might only be 50 yards. We might need a hammer for this side.
No, hammer it with your heel.
Ah, it hurts. Hey, you got shoes on, Josh. You hammer.
Yeah, get your hammer.
No, I got princess feet though.
Once we get into sniper mode.
All right, so we've figured out a location for the
100-yard range
100-yard range.
for our sniper rifle.
Totally car related, YouTube. So
Yeah. We got stickers.
stickers. That's how many horsepower? How many gun powers?
Each sticker is 1 caliber power. It's 1 caliber bigger. Oh, you just do that. You don't even need the stickers.
Didn't you say just paint the top and the bottom?
Yeah. Whatever. I think I got a little aggressive with the 100 yards. Maybe we should have started at 50. Anyone hear anything?
I
No.
thought I heard. Nah. There's no recoil.
I know.
Ow! I'm moving to the country, gonna eat me lots of peaches, gonna move it. You know how that goes?